Oh, what's up, guys? My first time going live on YouTube, but this is gonna be the suckiest YouTube video, but it's nothing to do, so might as well just record myself. So it's fucking rainy as shit, and my brother caught a fucking frog. We just fucking captured it. And this is really fucked up shit, but it's in this bucket. It's fucked up. See? Watch. My phone's gonna get a little wet, but no, what? Fuck it. This one, it's in that. See? See? Oh, crap. Ugh. Thank God it didn't pee on it, because I don't want fucking warts. Oh yeah, and this is my house. My pool's a little bit dirty. I have a pool table. This is the room with the pool table and computer. It's called, it's the man cave. Pool table. My kitchen. It started thundering, so the light went out and crap. So it's dark, but it's really dark in here though. I'm live on YouTube. Say sup to YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
Junior, I'm live on YouTube.
What?
I'm live on YouTube. Say sup. Sup not. Oh, man. Well, I got cutie doggies though. Where's my dog? Cutie doggies. Why do I say that? But they're cute though. Let me find them, okay? Look. See? Look. They're cute. Cutie doggies. Wait.
Nigga, that's not even YouTube.
No, that's what. See you in a little bit. I just need to stop this real quick.